I was looking at it on passing by from the GoPro section at Walmart. So, and I saw this, the mount. So it's a GoPro, full GoPro, but I remember my small camera had all these mounts. So I figured I would try to get this and see if it fits. With. So this, you just tie this. Oh, it says GoPro. I'm scared of. Yeah. So, and I guess this is a plastic, somewhat plastic. Kind of flimsy though. So I don't have my tripod. I don't even actually have a tripod, so that's why I just using one hand. Let me put this together. I guess that's how it is. There you go. Turn it on. Yep. Whoa. I guess it's good. Well, don't put it too high. It's kind of like flimsy. Kind of not staying. Oh yeah, I guess good to go. I'm gonna use this tomorrow, testing out. When I go work tomorrow morning, early in the morning, when I cut the chicken. I will see from there. Oh, I guess it's good. It can go up and down. Let's see more light. There. Yep. This is the GoPro, the mount, but this is not the GoPro, but it's good enough. Yep. I'm happy. Oh, yeah, this is the one. Tripod mount, GoPro. Not bad. It's good enough for my camera. Test them out tomorrow when I cut the chicken. Tomorrow, there's nothing but tomorrow. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, see? Cool. Alrighty then. We see tomorrow when I go to work, and I will try to use it when I do my morning job, cutting the chicken.